What kind of dessert would make the perfect gift for someone you love? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried. This time, it's French Financiers. Today I'm baking Financiers as a birthday gift for my grandpa. When I was little, he always bought me my favorite foods. Maybe my love for eating comes from him. Did you know Financiers were created in France for busy bankers? They wanted a sweet treat they could enjoy quickly during work. Let's get started. Melt batter over medium heat until golden brown with a nutty aroma. Let it cool. Don't overcook. Take it off once golden brown. Whisk powdered sugar, almond flour, and salt in the bowl. Add lightly whisked egg whites and vanilla. No whipping needed. Mix in the cooled brown batter until just combined. The batter will be thick. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Resting makes the texture smoother. Preheat to 180. Grease the mold with batter. Fill mold 3/4 full. Add toppings and bake until golden. I used pistachio this time because it's for Grandpa's birthday. But Financiers are delicious even without toppings. Bake until edges are golden for the best flavor. Cool in a pan for 10 minutes. Insert the toothpick. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Then transfer to a rack. A light dusting of powdered sugar makes them look extra elegant. Perfect for a gift. Rich with batter and almonds. Grandpa will love this. A small cake, but a big memory. That's the power of food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.